How do resellers and wholesalers know what to sell? They use price list analyzers. I'll show you exactly how it works in today's video. So if you talk to different manufacturers and distributors, right, they will give you a price list like this most of the time. It'll at least have some type of UPC code, a price, MOQ, quantity available, things like that. So what you can do is talk to different distributors. So you can go and then just Google, Nike distributor, and then get a list from them, Pokemon distributor. Once you get a list like this, what you're going to do is just plug it in to here. So you're going to click upload, and then you're going to upload that list, right? And then click next, and it's going to have all those different columns, the UPC, and then you click analyze price list. Now I already did this, and I'm going to actually open it. And what it actually shows you is it shows you the direct ASIN on Amazon. So it's going to show you that if it's already on Amazon, right? And if you can actually make money off of it. So it has the potential profit margins, the ROI, right? You can actually click this button right here, and it's going to show you the different, the actual SKU, and you can see who's winning the buy box, the reviews. So this is how, so pretty much what people do is they get huge lists like this from a distributor like Pokemon, Michael Kors, Nike, and then they plug it in and they can see exactly if it's already on Amazon, can they resell it, how much profit they can make, because not only does it show you all of this information, but it also shows you if it's restricted. So this app connects to your account, and then it shows you if you're restricted from selling it. You can see we are restricted from selling it, so this probably isn't a good product to sell. But if you have a full list of like 100 different SKUs, 300, you're bound to have at least one SKU that you are already approved for to sell on Amazon. Then you can double down on that. If you have a specific niche like Bandai, right, figurines, anime figurines, you could really dominate reselling things on Amazon for a lot higher than what other people are selling it for on other platforms, right? Because everybody trusts Amazon and they search Amazon first. Even if you're selling it for a higher price like Monopoly, they're going to be buying it from you before they buy it from somebody on eBay, right? And then it also shows you different alerts and flags, ratings, and things like that. So you can see a lot of different data. You can also download this into an Excel spreadsheet, and it's going to have all of this information back into a new Excel spreadsheet, which is pretty awesome. So altogether, it shows you Amazon link, price changes, if your seller account is already approved to sell it, any warnings if you're gated, and more. Then you can double down and just literally look at how much they're selling it for, right? $99, and if your sheet says it only costs $50, then you can plug it in. You can also go into the cost settings, and this is going to help you determine how much profit you're going to make per item. So you can add your taxes, any FBA logistics, and this is going to help you determine how much profit you're making. If you want to triple check how much profit you're making, you can also Google Amazon FBA calculator. And then they have a free calculator tool where you can just plug in that ASIN, and then Amazon's going to show you the actual fees they charge the seller. So you can triple check if it's profitable. But this pricing tool, the main goal of it is just to go through huge distributor lists, and you can see what ones you can resell and potentially make a profit on, double down on those, and especially during the holiday season, or if you're one of the only sellers on this, you could make a killing. Not only that, there's a lot of other tools that they offer, and the link is right in the description. We have a recommended applications page that goes to our website, and you can get a discount or a free trial to test out this tool. It's great for wholesalers and resellers all together. But that's it for today's video. Have you ever used a priced list analyzer before? Share your experience in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video like ungating, access to different types of tools, or just finding new products and distributors, we are here to help. Even if it's just about Amazon, you can just contact us in the link in the description or schedule a call with us. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, helping you increase your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, analyzing sheets, contacting distributors. We'll do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.